Gaurav Singh, a data scientist at IBM, and it's a pleasure to be here at Kaziranga University with bright mind of a School of Computing Science and a School of Engineering and Technology. As you know, that technology is evolving rapidly, and the demand of skilled professionals in cybersecurity, data science, and full-stack development is higher than ever. And the collaboration between IBM and the Kaziranga University has provided the real-world exposure to the final year students of BCA, MCA, and B.Tech. This program is not just about learning tools, but about problem solving, analytical thinking, and innovation. I encourage all of you to stay curious, committed, and apply what you learn. The future of technology is in your hands, and I look forward to seeing your success. Thank you.
We have been associated with Assam Kaziranga University for quite a long time. So after a lot of deliberations, experience, and the case study we received, we decided to incorporate industry project for the final year students of BCA, MCA, B.Tech on the tracks such as full stack development, data science, cyber security. I'm happy to share that students did an excellent job in terms of grasping the technical concepts in a short span of time and also presented the solution well today. I wish that students great success and also would like to make this arrangement to enrich in for the students who are the young birds, and would like to also incorporate some more intense IBM program, dive into the technical concepts so that they become future ready for corporate world.
The last 30 days, we have explored the future learnings from the IBM expert in full stack development, data science, and cybersecurity.
This training was a game changer. We gained hands-on experience, making us industry ready.
In data science, we worked on Python for data visualization, machine learning algorithms, and we even got introduced to R program.
Now we can analyze data, build models, and make predictions, opening doors to careers in AI and data analytics and more.
We explored ethical hacking, social engineering, and system hacking techniques.
With tools like Kali Linux, Burp Suite, and DBWL, we learned how to protect networks and prevent cyber attacks.
This training has prepared us for our career as a network engineer, ethical hacker, etc.
We built complete web applications, learning front-end, back-end, and even IBM cloud deployments.
From UI/UX design to API handling, we are now fully equipped to develop dynamic and scalable web applications.
With these skills, we can work as software developers, full stack engineers, and cloud computing experts.
And the best part, now we can apply globally.
And IBM will prioritize us for future opportunities.
This training has shaped our future, and now we are ready to take on the tech world. Thank you, IBM School of Engineering and Technology and School of Computing Sciences, for providing us with this golden opportunity.